Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to configure Woocommerce free shipping over the amount you decide? Woocommerce provides us a wide range of options or settings to set up our store. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to simply set up free shipping in Woocommerce, as this attracts more customers and generates traffic to websites. So in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto Woocommerce and then click on Settings. Now from here, you can see the various tabs. So click on Shipping to expand its settings. You can edit the previous shipping zone or you can create a new one. Now click on the edit button of this existing shipping zone, as I'll be editing an existing one. Now under the third heading of the shipping methods, click on the button that says add shipping method. Now choose the shipping method you want to add, like we want a free shipping, and then click on add shipping method. Now on clicking the edit link of the free shipping, you can make few changes here, like edit this title, decide the term, that what will be the required in the first order to have the free shipping. You can set all of these conditions, set the terms from here, like they should have a valid free coupon or not, a minimum order amount or any of the two, or they should have both. Like you can select all of these options. In my case, I'm selecting a minimum order amount. Now this says that free shipping is only valid over the shopping of some certain amount. I will set it to 15, so you can change it according to your own need. Now once you're done with that, click on Save Changes. So you can see that a free shipping method has been added here. Now you can visit your store and test this by adding a product to the cart over the value of 15, and you will get free shipping on that order. So this is how you can set up free shipping in Woocommerce. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers. These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.